This is the premier single room for Asia Hotel and Resort here in Dhaka. We have a single bed here, TV, we have a wardrobe, and there's actually a safe here, an extra pillow, and the toilet. You have bath and shower, and can't really see the view outside because it's at night now. But yeah, this is how the single room looks like. This is the gym room for Asia Hotel and Resort. I think it's a really good gym room. Look at this. You not only have cardio machine, you have resistance machine too, and a few free weights. They even have a Smith machine. All the equipments are new. They have a shower for you.